How to create OpenSea accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create an OpenSea account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. Well, if you'd like to create an OpenSea account, first of all you want to come to the official website, which is OpenSea.io. I will also make sure to drop a link. Once you're on this website, at the very top right hand side you can see it says connect wallet. Now in order to use OpenSea you need a crypto wallet. It could be MetaMask wallet, it could be, there are many wallets out there, so I will show you how you can create those. First of all, you want to make sure to click on connect wallet from the top right. Now currently MetaMask is one of the most popular ones, and for Solana and BNB chain you can use Bitkeeper or Phantom, or you also have Coinbase wallet. In this case I will just choose MetaMask here. It will take me to the Chrome web store where I can simply install MetaMask for Chrome. If I'm using Chrome, if I'm using Brave, it will show me on Brave browser. So I'll select install MetaMask for Chrome browser over here, and it will take me to the Chrome web store where I just need to select the option called add to Chrome. Click on the add extension button here, and once I click the add extension button, MetaMask wallet will be successfully added to my Chrome extension. Now once I've done that, all I need to do is on the next specific page, what I have to do is I just need to come to that specific website again, right? So right over here you can see, now I'm going to continue the process of creating a MetaMask wallet account. So I just need to click the I agree to the MetaMask terms and conditions, click on the option called create a new wallet. By the way, if you have an existing wallet you can also create that, or else you can just choose to click the I agree button. Now what you need to do is simply make sure to go ahead and then confirm your password. So let me as well go ahead and do that. Once you've entered your password, make sure to understand the terms and conditions, and then click on the option called create a new wallet option that you can see here. Make sure the password can match. Now what you need to do is you need to secure your wallet, which is also recommended, but you can do this step later by clicking the remind me later, and then click on I understand, click the skip button. Now it's better for you to do it. I'm just skipping it because it's going to make a video such a long process, so I'm just going to click the got it button here. Now you can see your MetaMask install is complete. Now I can click on next, I can click on done, and now you can say I can enable security alerts, or I can do whatever I want it in order to go ahead and finish it. Now the next thing I want to do is just come back to this page and then just go ahead and then refresh it. Now I can just click the connect wallet option, and then I can choose to select the option called MetaMask here. Once I select MetaMask, this time you'll see MetaMask notification, and now you can see it'll ask me for a pop-up to connect it. I'll just click on the next option here. As you can see, again I'll click on the connect option, and now you can see my OpenSea account will be successfully connected to my crypto wallet, and then after I've done that I can click on the accept and sign up button. This way you can very easily create your OpenSea account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have got any more questions then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.